hates you.
Breathe in, breathe out. My middle name is Nervous Breakdown. I sure could use a friend, cheaper than Vicodin. Fake lives, fake love. Got money but I still feel bankrupt. It's so hard to fit in when there's no oxygen. What the hell is wrong with me? Overthinking reality. Calm down, it'll be okay. But the voices in my head say, la la, loser, you've got no friends. Nobody gives a damn. 'Cause everybody hates you, everybody hates you. La la, loser, please just go home. 'Cause you're gonna die alone. 'Cause everybody hates you, everybody hates you. Everybody hates you, everybody hates you. Last call, wasted. My mental state is complicated. I drive right off a cliff. If I thought I'd be missed. Dark jokes, jaded. Sarcasm is calculated. The hate don't resonate if I self-deprecate. What the hell is wrong with me? Overthinking reality. Calm down, it'll be okay. But the voices in my head say, la la, loser, you've got no friends. Nobody.
Finally, after more than 14 hours of riding, got up at 6 a.m, sat on a bike at 6:30 a.m, and right now it's something slightly after 9 p.m, so it's almost exactly 14 hours. There's my bike and I'm gonna sleep there, but wait till morning, I'm gonna show you. It's incredible.
Everybody hates you. What are they saying about me? Do they all want me to leave? Same question.
Good morning, good morning. I need to be silent because people in front of me in the car are still sleeping. The white one behind me is snow and it's still summer. So I'm gonna show you where I was sleeping. Firstly, where's my bike? There. Look at this. Passo dello Stelvio. 2,760 meters above the sea. So if you want to try it, well, I recommend to buy a warm socks. However, this morning view is breathtaking. Look at this. Some glaciers. So there I'm gonna have my morning tea. And yeah, this is it. So enjoy summer, try new things, because without them the life would be boring, and enjoy.
Everybody hates you. What are they saying about me? Do they all want me to leave? Same question stuck on repeat. Over and over again. Are all my friends pretending? Or am I just projecting? Can't stop or keep obsessing. Over and over again. Somebody just make it end. La la, loser, you've got no friends. Nobody gives a damn. La la, loser, please just go home. You're gonna die alone. 'Cause everybody hates you.